Assalamualaikum. Welcome back, everybody, to our channel NetTech Speaks. So today in this section, I'm gonna discuss with you part three of switching series MAC address. What is MAC address and what is MAC address table? So actually, MAC stands for Media Access Control. It is unique identifier of the NIC of the device for use for the communication within the network segment. Okay, so this has two MAC address has two types, static or dynamic. Okay, so depending on their type, MAC addresses are either stored in the static or either dynamic in the MAC address table along with the VLAN and port number. I will show you the MAC address table later on. Then you will see the entry will be saved either static or dynamic. So MAC address table is also called hardware address, physical address. All these names belong to the MAC address. Okay, it is a 48-bit address. How the MAC address table look like? Okay, this is a MAC address table. Okay, it's based on what information MAC address belong to which VLAN number here, type either static or dynamic, and ports to which PCs are connected. So I've got two topologies here, one in GNS3 and one in packet tracer. Because some commands I'm not able to run in the packet tracer, that's why I made topology in GNS3. I will show you some commands in GNS3. Okay, let's move to this topology. I will show you the MAC address table. So we will discuss in the last lecture to what is the default behavior of the switch when it will receive the frame very first time. It will broadcast, right? It will forward here, it will forward here, it will forward here. So only the destination PC will respond. So first check the MAC address table, because right now nothing in the MAC address table. So it will broadcast the frames. Let's check. When this frame reach at the switch will update his MAC address table with the MAC address of this PC with VLAN number and this port number. Okay, it's one second. Let me ping from this PC to this PC. Okay, this will come here, this packet. Okay, this is a packet. This is our packet, and this is our packets belong to ARP. This is our packet. Okay, it's not packet, this is frame. Now check the MAC address table. See, it's updated with the MAC address of this PC. This is a MAC address with VLAN 1 with type is dynamic and port FS01. Okay, frame will broadcast. Okay, these both frame are discarded because it's not belong to them. Now this PC will respond. Now when this frame reach at the switch will update the MAC table of this device as well with the MAC address of this device with VLAN number and the port number. Understand? Type is showing dynamic because it's switch learning the MAC addresses dynamically. So it's successfully received. So this is how the MAC address table look like. Is how the switch is learning the MAC address table. Okay, show MAC address table dynamic. Okay, so if you want to see the static entry, nothing in the, because type is dynamic right now. If you want to change this type to static, so how we can change it from dynamic to static? I have to configure it manually. You have to go in the configuration mode, type one command MAC address table static, paste, it's asking for MAC address. Okay, paste the MAC address, then ask for the VLAN number, VLAN 1 number, then at the interface FA01, FA01. Understand? Now let's verify. Show MAC address table static. Right? So what is the difference between static and dynamic? One entry is static and one is dynamic. See, 1 second, let's move forward. That point I will clear you later. This is how the MAC address table look like after learning the MAC addresses of the devices. Next is edging time. What is edging time? Edging time is that time that decide how long non-speaking MAC address is stored in the CAM table or MAC address table. For example, this MAC address belong to PC1. It's not gonna initiate any communication till 300 seconds. By default, edging time is 300 seconds. Okay, so if any PC will not initiate any communication till 300 seconds, then that entry will flush out from the MAC address table automatically. For example, come here, one entry is static and one is dynamic. If this PC will not initiate any communication till 300 seconds, then after 300 seconds this entry will remove from the MAC address table, but static will not. Why? We have to remove we can only remove this entry by using no command in the MAC in the configuration mode. Okay, so by default time is 300 seconds. You can use command show MAC address table edging time for showing the edging time. Okay, so we this command we can not able to run in this show MAC address table edging time. No, you can only run in the packet tracer only this command. Dynamic, you can check only dynamic, type dynamic, interfaces type and static. That's why I made one topology here in the GNS3. So already all nodes are started. So let's take a console of this. So here is the console. So first check the MAC address table, MAC address table, nothing in the MAC address table. Okay, so I already changed the edging time on this switch. Okay, I think I said 10 seconds. Show MAC address table edging time. It's showing 10. By default is 300 seconds. So now what will happen, this switch will save the MAC address entry of these devices in the MAC address table till 10 seconds. If any device will not initiate any communication till 10 seconds, okay, then that entry will be removed from the MAC address table. Okay, let's see. Ping from this PC to all this. Ping 1.1.2. It's pinging. Three. Four. Now check the MAC address table. Show MAC address table. See, the entry will only will keep in the MAC address table till 10 seconds. One is removed. After 10 seconds, this will empty. See, now in the MAC address table, all the entries or removed from the MAC address table, because we said the edging time is 10 seconds. Okay, so one more command we'll check here. Show MAC address table count is showing dynamic 2, because the MAC address table is two entries. Okay, show MAC address table. See here we can run all these we can check all these commands: address, edging time, count, dynamic, interface, secure, static. But in the packet tracer we just check, we can run able to couple of commands. GNS3 will give you a real-time environment. So we can change this edging time, we can increase or decrease. You have to configure a command: MAC address table edging time, and then if we set 0, then edging time will be disabled. Okay, we have to set value in between this value. Okay, before I set 10 second, now I change from 10 second to 20. Okay, now it's changed. Now we can verify, show MAC address table edging time. So now the entry will be saved in the MAC address table till 20 seconds. Okay, ping from here to 3 is pinging. Now see, show MAC address table. So these entries will be in the MAC address table till 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, this MAC address table will be empty. See, now nothing in the MAC address table. You just wait 20 seconds. Okay, understand? So this is how all about the MAC addresses, how switch will learn the MAC addresses of end devices, then how long the MAC addresses will keep in the MAC address table, then this is all. Okay, so I hope this video has been informative for you guys. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel for getting a notification of the next lecture. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.